Also, may I request Ms. Jyoti Kabra, the promoter, to please come ahead on stage. Mrs. Jyoti Kabra, you are requested to join us on the stage, as well as Mr. S.N. Shah to be on the stage. Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, if you are around, please join us on stage.
Ashwin. Ashwin. And also Mr. Senthil Kumar.
And also Mr. Senthil Murugan, please join us on the stage. I request everyone to please settle down. We will be starting with this ceremony in next 10 minutes. So it's a kind request for everybody to please settle down. I request our guest of honor, Usha Agrawal ji, to please join us in the front row. I request Usha ji to please occupy the front row of the seatings. And Mr. Saroj Kabra to please come ahead on the front row as well. Usha ji and Mr. Saroj Kabra, please come ahead, join us in the front row of the seatings.
The guest of honor for today's event name his name. This four names. इसका नाम इनका
So the guest of honor of this wonderful ceremony, Shri Ganpat Rajji Chaudhary from Riddhi Siddhi Group. A warm welcome to you, sir. Srimati Usha ji Agrawal, Jai Ambe Durgesh Group. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. It's lovely to see you here. As well as Shri Amit ji Agrawal, Jindal Group. Warm welcome, sir, to this wonderful ceremony. And now next we have Shri Sanjay Bhai Shah from Prudent Group. All these are guest of honors, and we are super happy, glad that you are with us today over here on this wonderful occasion of the listing ceremony of KK Jewels, Kabra Jewels. Thank you. And we would like to welcome our guest of honors, Ankur ji Agrawal from Delhi, Suresh ji Rathi, followed by Bhika Bhai from Kanchan Pharma, moving on Bipin Bhai Jade Blue, Narendra Bhai Somani, Jatin Bhai Trident, as well as Vimal ji Begani. These are the guest of honors, and we are really glad that you came with us over here and be the part of this wonderful listing ceremony. Once again, may I request everyone to please settle down. We'll be starting in next 10 minutes. As we know that we have to be very punctual about this ceremony. I request everyone present over here to please settle down. Also, a warm welcome to Mr. Vishal Ji Malani. Malani ji ka बहुत स्वागत है. Warm welcome to this wonderful ceremony, sir. Also, warm welcome to Shri Ashwin Ji Patel. Also, warm welcome to Shri Kirit Bhai Sukhadia. A warm welcome, sir. आपका बहुत स्वागत है on this wonderful ceremony. The listing ceremony means a lot, and you all being here means a lot to us. Also, a warm welcome to a very special guest, Mr. Kishore Goswami ji. Kishore ji Goswami, आपका बहुत स्वागत है. Warm welcome. Also, warm welcome to Mrs. Mamta Ji Gupta. Mamta ji, namaste. And also, his spouse, Mahendra Ji Gupta. Mahendra Ji Gupta, warm welcome. Also, warm welcome to Shri Dhanesh Bhai Soni. Soni ji ka बहुत स्वागत है. Thank you so much for visiting. Also, warm welcome to Mrs. Kokila Agrawal as well as Vijay Agrawal. Also, warm welcome to Shri Vinod Ji Mittal. Mittal Saab ka बहुत स्वागत है. And now may I request everyone to please settle down. As we know, we have to be very punctual about the ceremony. And A warm welcome to Mr. Himanshu Shah from Konar Group as well. Mrs. Radha Mittal ji, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Mrs. Radha, thank you so much for coming and joining us. Shri Neeraj ji Maheshwari, all the way from Surat. A warm welcome to you, sir, and welcome to Ahmedabad. श्री विनोद जी मित्तल आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Thank you so much for coming. Suresh ji Agrawal from Stifo Group. A warm welcome, Suresh ji. Thank you so much for joining us over here. Bharat Bhushan ji Agrawal, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. A warm welcome to Mr. Agrawal as well. Also, Vinod ji Agrawal from RK Trading Group. Vinod ji Agrawal, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Thank you so much for coming and joining us. Also, Mr. Suresh Rathi, warm welcome, sir. It gives us pleasure to have you here. Mrs. Jaya Arya, a warm welcome. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Also, Mr. Deepak Bhai Shah, thank you so much for visiting. Bhumi Ben का भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Thank you so much for coming, ma'am. Also, Shri Mahesh Ji Jiwade, all the way from Delhi. Warm welcome to Ahmedabad city, sir. Shri Bharat Bhai Gadecha. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. And also joining along, Kalpesh Bhai Gadecha. Warm welcome to this wonderful ceremony, sir. Also now may I request everyone who's standing near the corridor or maybe standing beside, I request you to please come ahead, take your seats. We'll be starting in next 5 minutes. Shri Saurabh Bhai Patel, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. A warm welcome to Mr. Patel as well. We'll be starting in next 2 minutes. I request everyone to please settle down, take your seats, relax and enjoy this ceremony. I request everyone attending the listing ceremony to please settle down, get back to your seats and relax. Once again, wishing warm welcome to our esteemed guests, our guest of honors, Shri Ganpat Rajji Chaudhary from Riddhi Siddhi Group, Srimati Usha Ji Agrawal from Jai Ambe Durgesh Group. Moving on, Shri Amit Ji Agrawal from Jildal Group, as well as Shri Sanjay Bhai Shah from Prudent Group. A warm welcome to our guest of honors, and we are super excited and happy that you joined us over here on this wonderful morning of listing ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, let's extend a warm welcome to 3 young champions and yes, young entrepreneurs of the city, Mr. Tanuj Pugalia, Mr. Chiranjeev Patel, Mr. Durgesh Agrawal. A warm welcome to such dynamic personalities who are going to be the future of the industry and the young entrepreneur who fires with their work in the industry. Also warm welcome to Shri Chandru Bhai Thakkar. Thakkar साहब का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Thank you so much for joining us on this wonderful morning of listing ceremony. Also warm welcome to Mrs. Deepali Patel. Deepali Patel ji का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. Ladies and gentlemen, now may I request, we are only left with 3 minutes more, so I request everybody to please settle down, take back your seats, and we'll be getting started with this ceremony. And let me come and extend a warm welcome to one of the most special guest of honor, or a very important personalities right here, Shri Dhiren Bhai Vora. Can we all have a huge round of applause for Shri Dhiren Bhai Vora? Come on everyone. Everybody present here. Let's give it up for Shri Dhiren Bhai Vora. And yes, Shri Uday Bhai Vora. Can we all give it up for Mr. Vora as well? And let me tell you, everyone that these two personalities are business tycoons of Ahmedabad. Thank you. Warm welcome to Shri Dinesh Ji Gupta. A warm welcome to Shri Dinesh Ji Gupta as well. Also warm welcome to Shri Vimal Ji Begani. Begani साहब का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. A warm welcome to Mr. Vimal. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to start in next 2 minutes, so may I request everybody to please settle down, as we know that we have to be very punctual about this ceremony. It's a very important one for our promoter company and for everyone present here. We'll be starting in next 2 minutes, so I request everybody to please settle down. Also, extending a warm welcome and thank you to our very important family doctors, as we the promoters are very hospitable as they are welcoming each one of you over here. Let me call upon and welcome Dr. Kamal Khatwani ji as well as Dr. M.N. Gupta. A warm welcome to this wonderful ceremony. Also, we have our esteemed guest joining with us, Mr. Kamlesh Upadhyay. Warm welcome to Mr. Kamlesh Upadhyay. Also, Shri Samir Bhai Shah is with us right away. And right now, Shri Javed Bhai and Kader Bhai, they are also with us over here on this wonderful wristing ceremony. Also, a warm welcome to Mr. Kirit Bhai Sukhadia. Sukhadia ji ka bahut bahut swagat hai. Also, Shri Keyur B. Shah. He is the CA Chartered Accountant, and a warm welcome to Mr. Shah as well. Also, warm welcome to Shri Sampat Ji Chaudhary. Chaudhary sahab ka bahut bahut swagat hai. Thank you so much for coming and visiting here. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just waiting for Mr. Chaudhary, Ganpat Ji Chaudhary, and we'll be starting in next 1 minute. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please settle down. Ladies and gentlemen, a very special announcement, as we got to know from Mr. Kailash Khabra that the Amitabh Bachchan of this wonderful ceremony, the Amitabh Bachchan of this wonderful ceremony is right here with us. And Shri Bhikha Bhi Shah ke liye zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Can we all give it up all together for him? Come on everyone all together. Bhikha Bhai, can you please stand up? I request you to please stand up so the people know already that you are the Amitabh Bachchan of this wonderful morning, and we are super glad that you are with us. Also, we have a dynamic businessman of Ahmedabad, Ashish Patel ji. Ek bar zordar taaliyan ho jaye for him as well. Let's give it up for him. Can we all together? Also, we have Shri Raju Bhai Shah and Sapan Bhai Shah as well.
To one and all present over here.
Also, a warm welcome to NSC team and all the team of over here. NSC team, a warm welcome. Also, Marwadi Chandrana Group and SNC as well. A warm welcome. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, with this, a very good morning and all our esteemed guests, a very warm welcome to the listing ceremony of Kabra Jewels Limited. It's a memorable occasion today for the promoters of Kabra Jewels Limited and their team, as the stock will get listed today on NSE Emerge platform. Ladies and gentlemen, before we start the formal proceedings, please rise for the national anthem. To honor our country and all that it represents, we invite you to join us in singing the national anthem all together. May I request the national anthem to be played?
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Vande Mataram. Thank you, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to call upon our promoters and esteemed dignitaries for lighting of the lamp. As we know, a light emits a lot of happiness and positivity in the room. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our team ahead for the lighting of lamp. And to present, I would like to call upon Mr. Kailash S. Kabra, Founder, Managing Director and Promoter, followed by Jyoti Kabra, the promoter. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, I'd request now Senthil Murugan sir from National Stock Exchange Limited to please move ahead, followed by Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President at Marwadi Chandrana Group, as well as Surendra Shah, Chartered Accountant, to please move ahead and do the honor. We feel that there's a positivity emitted around. With the lamp lighting, ladies and gentlemen, now I request the directors of the company to welcome the guest with flower bouquet. Ladies and gentlemen, now may I request Mr. Kailash S. Kabra, Founder, Managing Director and Promoter, to present the flower bouquet to Senthil Murugan from National Stock Exchange Limited. Can we all have a huge round of applause? Next, I'd request Mrs. Jyoti Kabra to present the flower bouquet to promoter and to present it to Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President at Marwadi Chandrana Group. And now may I request Ms. Poonam Mittal to present the flower bouquet to Mr. Surendra Shah, Chartered Accountant. Can we all have a huge round of applause, everyone? With this, ladies and gentlemen, let's speak about the promoters a few words. As we know, Kabra Jewels was founded in 2010. Company operates in the retail jewelry sector, offering a diverse range of gold, diamond and silver ornaments. And our other offerings include gold and silver coins, utensils and other artifacts. Ladies and gentlemen, primary expertise is in designing, and we market our exclusive creation under the brand name of KK Jewels. And let me tell you, the company has in-house design process and having 15 years of experience in the market. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's move ahead with the next one, as we would like to hear the opening remarks by none other than Jyoti Kabra, as the promoter of Kabra Jewels Limited, to give his opening remarks.
Okay, I'm a little nervous, but Pranam and Jai Shri Krishna to one and all here. On behalf of Kabra Jewels Limited, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all our investors, friends, family, clients, vendors, and well-wishers for your unwavering support during our IPO journey. A special thanks to NSE, Marwadi Chandrana, and Shri S.N. Shah sir for their invaluable guidance through this process. I still remember the day my father told me I found the right match for you. Trusting his judgment, I said yes, and today I proudly say, Papa, you chose the right person for me. KK is the most hardworking, dedicated, and passionate person I have ever met. His tireless efforts and clear vision have been the driving force behind the success of his company. Whether it is leading our company or facing challenges, his commitment is unmatched, and it has been an honor to support his journey. To everyone who has invested in Kabra Jewels Limited, I assure you that your trust is in best hands. With KK's leadership and our entire team's dedication, we are confident that your trust will be rewarded manifold. Thank you for all being here to celebrate this incredible milestone with us today. Your presence today makes this moment even more special. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Jyoti Kabra. It was lovely hearing from you. And now may I request our Mr. Senthil Murugan from National Stock Exchange Limited to say a few words for this event.
Sri Kailash Kabraji, Founder and Managing Director, Kabra Jewels Limited, Srimati Jyoti Kabraji, Director, and Sri Vipin, President from Marwadi Chandrana Group, the merchant banker, and the Honorable Auditor Sir, and other dignitaries, employees, and the family who present here. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of Kabra Jewels Limited. We Exchange is proud to welcome Kabra Jewels Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 592nd company to get listed in NSE Exchange platform. We have closed around 70,000 plus SMEs in the Gujarat state may eligible to think. As of now, close around 110 companies got listed. So you are among the first 100 race now. And the total fund raised till now, the NSE Emerge platform is close around 15,850 crores. And the market cap of the company is currently around 2.13 lakh crores. So that, so today onwards, Kabra Jewels Limited will be an integral part of it actually. And India has been the 4th largest market in the world in terms of the market capitalization of USD 5.3 trillion after US, China and Japan. The market capitalization of India has grown about 113 times in rupee term since exchange started its operation in 1994. I'm happy to share that recently NSE achieved a milestone of 10 crore unique registered investors, having 19 crore accounts covering 7.5 crores plus household accounting, nearly around 20% India's population, directly investing in equities now. So it's the testament of India's entrepreneurial activities and trust of its people on entrepreneurs. So at the IPO of Kabra Jewels, the issue size of 40 crore has garnered a very good response. Close around 300 plus times it got oversubscribed. It shows the kind of a trust that investors have on the company. And we hope today's successful listing of Kabra Jewels will inspire many more companies in Gujarat as well as in India to look at public as a public issue as a promising alternative for fundraising. We at Exchange are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that the listing day is the start of our strong relationship between going forward between us. I congratulate the entire team of Kabra Jewels Limited, the merchant bankers Marwadi Chandrana Group, and other parties associated in the IPO for their accomplishment. And today's listing is the testimony of their hard work. And I once again welcome Kabra Jewels Limited to the family of NSE and looks forward to support you in your future endeavor fundraising. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Mr. Murugan. It was lovely hearing from you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move ahead. And next, I would like to call upon Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President at Marwadi Chandrana Group, and share his thoughts.
Good morning. Thank you NSC Emerge platform. Thank you Senthil sir for giving this platform to SME companies so they can list their self and raise funds. અચ્છા ધંધાના વિશે અચ્છા કંપની ગુજરાતની લિસ્ટિંગ ગુજરાતમાં તો વાતો બી ગુજરાતી જ કરીએ ને શું ચાલે છે તે જ આપણી એમે સવાર થાય છે શું ચાલે છે તો ધંધા વિશે કૈલાસ સરથી સારું કોઈ કહેવાવાળું નથી નંબર વિશે અહીંયા એમના મેન્ટર ઓડિટર એસએન સરથી સારું કહેવાવાળું કોઈ નથી એનએસસી માટે સેન્થિલ સર છે જે પૂરો ડેટા આપે છે હું એક પ્રમોટરની વ્યાખ્યા આપીશ કે પ્રમોટર એટલે શું અને ધંધો કેવી રીતે બને કે શું કામ કરવો જોઈએ કોઈ બી ધંધાની કે સફળતાની ગાડી છે ને ચાર પૈડા ઉપર ચાલે છે ધૈર્ય સાહસ અભિગમ અને દૂરદ્રષ્ટિ તો સાહસની વાત કરું તો કોલસાના ધંધાથી સોના સુધીની સફર સાહસ જ છે બીજું કાંઈ નથી જોરદાર તાળીઓ કૈલાસભાઈ માટે અભિગમની વાત કરું તો 1 સ્ટોરથી 6 સ્ટોર સુધી એ એમનું અભિગમ જ છે દૂરદ્રષ્ટિની વાત કરું તો લિસ્ટિંગ કરાવી હું બધા ઓપન પ્લેટફોર્મ પર કહેતો હોઉં છું કે ઇન્ડિયામાં 8,400-500 કંપનીઓ લિસ્ટેડ છે એક્ઝેક્ટ નંબર પર આપણે પછી વાત કરશું પણ આરઓસી પર રજિસ્ટર કંપનીઓ 1.5 કરોડ છે ઠીક છે તો ખાલી 8,500 કંપનીઓ લિસ્ટેડ છે એમાંથી કદાચ 3,000 કંપનીઓ 1992 પહેલાંની છે જે સીસીઆઈના ટાઈમની લિસ્ટેડ છે તો એક વિઝન દ્રષ્ટિ અને ધૈર્યનું ઉદાહરણ આપતા હું રહી ગયો ધૈર્યનું ઉદાહરણ અમારા રોડ શોમાં મેં જોયું કૈલાસભાઈ સાથે એક અમારા કોઈક ઇન્વેસ્ટર આવેલા એમણે કીધું કૈલાસભાઈ બહુ સારું પોતાનું જર્ની કહેતા હતા કે મેં આવી રીતે સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું એમણે કીધું અમને જર્નીમાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ નથી અમને નંબરમાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે અને મેં પહેલી વખત કોઈ પ્રમોટરને એ ધૈર્યતાથી શાલીનતા સાથે જવાબ આપતા જોયો છે કે ના મોટા માણસની નિશાની કે આગળ વધવાની જે નિશાની છે એ સાહસ અભિગમ દૂરદ્રષ્ટિ પછી સૌથી જે અગત્યનું પૈડું છે એ છે ધૈર્ય એન્ડ સર થેન્ક યુ ફોર ટ્રસ્ટિંગ અસ ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ થેન્ક યુ એસએન સર ફોર ટ્રસ્ટિંગ અસ આ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી આપી અને મારવાડી ચંદારાના ગ્રુપને એઝ એ એમબી એક્ટ કરવાનું કામ મળ્યું સર કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન ફોર સચ અ ગ્રેટ લિસ્ટિંગ મને ખબર જ છે થવાની જ છે ગ્રેટ લિસ્ટિંગ એટલે હું અત્યારથી જ કહી દઉં છું કે કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન થેન્ક યુ સો મચ
Thank you so much, Mr. Bipin Bhanushali. It was lovely hearing from you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request Mr. Surendra Shah, Chartered Accountant, to say few words on this occasion.
Good morning. When I remember in 2007 when I met Kailas Bhai, for that time he was KK, Kailas Kabra. Today I am proudly saying that today his brand KK Jewels, not only Kailas Kabra. So the journey from where he started from 2007 to 2025, I have seen personally working him very hard, fully dedicated and thinking nothing other than business. आप जब भी उनके साथ बैठे होंगे तो वो सिर्फ एक ही बात करता होगा ऐसे मारवाड़ी बंदा है नेचुरली लेकिन बिजनेस के अलावा उनको कुछ ज़्यादा मतलब ही इज़ एंजॉइंग द लाइफ बट मैक्सिमम ही हैज़ डन इज फुल डिवोशन एंड दैट इज़ वेयर वी आर हियर आई कैन ओनली से अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है अभी कंपनी का जस्ट लिस्टिंग हो रहा है आगे आगे देखिए under his leadership and his vision, he will be definitely taking this company to a great height. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. It was lovely hearing from you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move ahead to the next session toward it. Now, may I request our Mr. Murugan to please present the memento to Mr. Bipin Bhanushali, President at Marwadi Chandrana Group, please. ladies and gentlemen, now may I request Mr. Murugan to please present the listing certificate and memento to Mr. Kailash K. Kabra, the founder and managing director at Kabra Jewels Limited. Congratulations, and we are super excited for the next one as well. As we know that Kabra Jewels Limited is now in the market. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank our guest of honor once again, Shri Ganpat Rajji Chaudhary, Riddhi Siddhi Group. Can we all have a huge round of applause for him? Come on everyone. Let's put our hands together for Shri Ganpat Rajji Chaudhary from Riddhi Siddhi Group. Moving on, let's make some noise and put our hands together for Srimati Usha Ji Agrawal, Jai Ambe Durgesh Group. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Shri Amit Ji Agrawal, Jindal Group. Once again. Next we have Shri Sanjay Bhai Shah from Prudent Group. Can we all have it together? Come on everyone. And yes, we extend a heartily welcome to these personalities as they have been with Kabra Jewels since a long time. And we are glad that you are being part of this wonderful ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, the next session that I can read here right now is something that's going to change the future, that's going to change the history of KK Jewels, Kabra Jewels Limited. As we know, the next session is about ringing the bell. And I think we are quite early, right? But before that, I'd request Ganpat Ji to please come ahead on stage and share your thoughts and congratulate. And we are happy that you're here with us. Can we all give it up for Ganpat Ji, please?
गुड मॉर्निंग. क्या क्लास आवाज ही नहीं आ रही. गुड मॉर्निंग डियर क्लास एंड के फैमिली, गेस्ट, सामने अहमदाबाद के सर दिग्गज पर्सनालिटीज बैठी है, पहली रो में, सेकंड रो में. मैं कैलाश के बिजनेस के बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि बिजनेस तो होना ही है. ये एक ऐसा लड़का है, क्योंकि मैं इसको जन्म से जानता हूँ और मेरे सन सिद्धार्थ का खास दोस्त है. 24 घंटे जो आदमी बिजनेस सोचता है. कल एक मेरे साथ ऐसी पर्सनालिटी थी, पृथ्वीराज कोठारी, रिद्धि सिद्धि बुलियन, जो 1 लाख करोड़ का टर्नओवर करता है, गोल्ड किंग बोलते हैं उसको. धीरेन भाई वो 24 घंटा बिजनेस के सिवा और कुछ नहीं करता है और वो एक ही सोचता है. रात को 12-1 बजे तक कोई लंदन खुलता है, फिर अमेरिका खुलता है और 24 घंटा. तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इस लड़के में जो एक बर्निंग फायर जिसको बोलते हैं ना, एक धगस, वो जो देखी है, मुझे पूरा ही विश्वास है कि अंडर हिज लीडरशिप के ज्वेल्स विल गो टू द न्यू हाई. एंड जैसे अभी भाई साहब ने बोला कि ये तो झांकी है, और बिल्कुल सही बोला आपने कि बहुत कुछ बाकी है. मैं पिक्चर तो नहीं बोलूँगा, बट आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट उसका जो कमिटमेंट है, उसका जो लगाव है, उसका जो इमोशन है और लोगों के प्रति जो उसका व्यवहार और प्रेम जो ये रखता है ना, मैं हमेशा एग्जाम्पल देता रहता हूँ मेरे लड़के को कि तू इससे सीख. ये बोलता है मैं तो सिद्धार्थ से सीखता हूँ, जो इसकी बात मैं नहीं मानता हूँ, बट रिलेशनशिप रखने में कैलाश का कोई जवाब नहीं है. और मैं ये हमेशा मानता हूँ कि आज के बिजनेस में नेटवर्किंग इज नेटवर्थ. अगर आपने नेटवर्किंग किया और रिलेशन रखा तो आपकी नेटवर्क तो बाउंड टू फॉलो यू. ये बाई प्रोडक्ट है. बिजनेस इज ए बाई प्रोडक्ट. फर्स्ट इज ए रिलेशनशिप एंड नेटवर्किंग, एंड यू आर एक्सपर्ट rather I will say he is a PhD doctor in a networking. अभी प्रेजेंटेशन देख रहा था बैठे बैठे, तो मतलब मैं अभी हिमांशु आया यहाँ पे, मोनार्क कैपिटल जो अहमदाबाद के और हिंदुस्तान के एक जाने माने शेयर बाज़ार के बहुत बड़े टाइकून है। मैं बोल रहा था हिमांशु, मेरे को लग रहा है कि बहुत जल्दी, आज तो छोटी लिस्टिंग है, बहुत जल्दी 2000-3000 करोड़ की लिस्टिंग में ये हॉल और खचाखच कैलाश भरेगा। तो कैलाश खूब आगे बढ़ो और ऐसे ही लोगों से प्रेम करते रहो। और एक ध्यान रखना, सफलता की सीढ़ी पर बहुत लोग जब चलते हैं ना, तो पीछे वाले लोगों को कभी कभी भूल जाते हैं। तो ज़िंदगी में कुछ भी बनो, कितना भी बड़ा बनो, पहले स्टेप पे जो लोग तेरे साथ खड़े रहे उनको कभी भूलना मत, और उनसे ज़्यादा प्यार करना अंतिम सीढ़ी से। और खूब आगे बढ़ो। गॉड ब्लेस यू, यू एंड योर होल टीम। एक बात और मैं कहना चाहूँगा, इसका जो ऑफिस का जो मैनेजमेंट है और ऑफिस स्टाफ के साथ में जो प्रेम और जो लगाव, अपनत्व, बॉन्डिंग, उसकी तो मैं कोई बात ही करूँ तो अभी 5 मिनट 10 मिनट और कम पड़ जाए। विच इज एक्सेलेंट केस ऑफ स्टडी। केस स्टडी करना चाहिए कि खुद फ्री रह के बिजनेस को कैसे ग्रो कर रहा है। 1 खोला, 2 खोला, 4 खोला, और बोलते हैं कैलाश आना है तो 5 मिनट या 10 मिनट जितना पहुंचने में टाइम लगता है और हाजिर हो जाता है। और बोलूँगा 2 घंटा रुकना है तो 4 घंटा रुकेगा। तो आपके ऑफिस स्टाफ के प्रति जो आपका रिलेशनशिप है वो भी एक केस स्टडी है, और उनका ध्यान रखना। मैं भी कल ही मोतीलाल जी को सुन रहा था, तो बोले, मैंने मोतीलाल ओसवाल को पूछा, मेरे मामा होते हैं, तो मैं बोला इतना बड़ा काम करके तुम इतना फ्री कैसे रहते हो? तो ये बोलते हैं कि जो आदमी काम करता है वो बड़ा नहीं बनता। ये सुनने जैसी बात है। काम कराने वाला और काम लेने वाला बड़ा बनता है, और ये कैलाश में ये गुण मैं देखता हूँ। मोतीलाल जी बोलते हैं, मेरे को 1 महीना भी मैं अगर ऑफिस नहीं जाऊँ, आज 60-70 हज़ार करोड़ की मार्केट कैप होगी या जो भी होगा, और इतनी सोशल सर्विस में भी उसकी अवेलेबिलिटी धीरेन भाई हमेशा रहती है, क्यों हमने तो साथ में जीतों में काम किया है। बट ही नेवर से नो कि आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल। तो काम स्टाफ के साथ में कैलाश ऐसे ही तुम लेते रहना और करते रहना, खूब आगे बढ़ो, और प्रभु से प्रार्थना करते हैं तुम्हारे में और ज़्यादा शक्ति दे। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
So next I would like to call upon Srimati Usha Ji Agrawal from Jayambe Durgesh Group to please come ahead and share few words for us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for her. Come on everyone. We have 2 minutes, and after that we'll be setting up for the bell ringing.
जय अम्बे सभी को। और आज का दिन कैलाश, माँ अम्बा से प्रार्थना है कि तुम इसी तरह हमेशा अपने जीवन में बहुत आगे बढ़ो, क्योंकि कैलाश का एक रूप स्पिरिचुअली भी है जो मैंने कभी महसूस किया है कि आज इसने जैसे जय अम्बे लिखा तो शायद इसने मेरी एक अलग पहचान यहाँ पे बनाई। और साथ ही साथ मैं ज्योति के बारे में ज़रूर बोलना चाहूँगी कि कैलाश का जो तेज है वो ज्योति से है, और ज्योति के योगदान को हम बिल्कुल कम नहीं आंक सकते। सो माँ भगवती हमेशा तुम लोगों को इसी तरह से ब्लेस करे, और ऐसे दिन हमेशा आते रहे और हम मिलके उसको मनाते रहें। जय अम्बे।
Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the most exciting and the next session. Now I request all the dignitaries on the stage to please proceed further to ring the bell for listing of Cabra Jewels Limited on NSE Emerge platform. Request the family members or the promoters to join them for this ceremony. Also, निवेदन है कि बड़े पापा जी, बड़ी माँ जी और मम्मी जी और पापा जी, कैलाश जी के मम्मी जी, पापा जी, बड़े पापा, बड़ी मम्मी, प्लीज स्टेज पर ज्वाइन करें. Also warm welcome to Shri Dhiren Bhai Vora and Uday Bhai Vora. May I request both the personalities to please come ahead on stage to join us for the bell ringing ceremony.
एक्चुअली એમના હોવાથી ભાવ બહુ ઊંચો ખુલશે
એટલે આમનો હાથ અમારી ઉપર જોઈએ અમને.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congratulations. And yes, that's the moment that has to be captured. KK Jewels, ready to create history. Also, let's talk about the prize, issue prize.
And now I am very happy that the share has been listed at the highest maximum listable price at 243 rupees 20 paisa, 90% premium. Great hand to KK Kabra Jewels Limited. We had offered the share at the rate of 128 and the listing has started at 243.20. High has been 255 and now the market cap of the company is, just a minute. Two- 282 crores. The market cap of this company on the very opening days is just about to touch 300 crore. Big hands to KK Jewels Limited. And of course, Kailas Kabra.
Thank you so much and congratulations to KK Jewels as they are ready to create history. And the market wishes them, NSE wishes them a warm welcome over here. Ladies and gentlemen, now may I call upon Shri Amit Ji Agrawal, Jindal Group. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the moment where the NSE team will be handing over the listing batches to the promoters, KK Jewels. Also, warm welcome to Shri Rajkumar Ji Bogalia and warm welcome to Shri Samir Ji Tekriwal. Also, Shri Suresh Ji from Bodal Group. Also, Shri Santosh Ji Goyal, all the way from Gandhi Dham, a warm welcome to the listing ceremony. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to Shri Amit Ji Agrawal, Jindal Group. And I request Mr. Agrawal to please come ahead and share a few thoughts and congratulate the promoters.
So welcome everybody and congratulations to the entire Kabra family and Kailash ji on the great success of the IPO. I think it's a wonderful achievement and what he has done at such a young age, right? It's always said that, rightly said before me, that numbers are important, but more important is the journey behind the numbers, right? On how do you achieve the journey, how do you come forth to where you are today. So I've known Kailash ji since a long time and I've seen his journey right from the days of struggle. Starting a new business is not easy, right? A lot of us get platforms to grow. And when you do start something on your own, being a first generation entrepreneur itself is a huge achievement. Today's world is so competitive. Starting a business, being successful and expanding is very difficult. And the way Kailash ji has taken care of his customers, his employees, his relationships, and growing in a complete wholesome way, making sure that his entire journey, everyone is there along with him, is been commendable. Once again, wishing Kailash ji huge congratulations and a lot of success. May you continue to grow this way and set examples in the world.
Thank you so much, Mr. Agrawal, for sharing your thoughtful talks over here. Ladies and gentlemen, now may I request Sri Sanjay Bhai Shah from Prudent Group to please come ahead and speak few words. Warm welcome, sir. Welcome on stage.
Can we have some silence, please? We have some really very, very special people talking about this. We can have food later as well, please, for the last 15 minutes, please.
હાય ગુડ મોર્નિંગ એવરીબડી આઈ થિંક એક વસ્તુ હું કહીશ કે વર્ષોથી આઈ થિંક મેં બંને જનરેશનને જોઈ છે બિકોઝ સત્તુજીને તો હું વર્ષોથી ઓળખું છું અને ધ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ એનર્જી એન્ડ ધ રિલેશનશિપ બિલ્ડિંગ જે સત્તુજી કેરી કરે છે આઈ થિંક સેમ થિંગ હેઝ કેમ ઇન ધી blood of Kailash, and Kailash has grown significantly, I think, as a human being, as a very, very good person. અને આજે એક બિઝનેસ તરીકે જ્યારે પણ તમે જ્યારે બિઝનેસ ચલાવતા હો તો એની જે કોર ક્વોલિટીઝ છે કે હાઉ કેન યુ હેવ ધી સ્ટ્રક્ચર, હાઉ કેન યુ હેવ ધી ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન, તમે તારા માણસોનું કેવી રીતે ધ્યાન રાખો છો. આઈ થિંક ગણપતજીએ તો બહુ સારી રીતે નેરેટ કર્યું છે અબાઉટ ધી કૈલાસ, બિકોઝ ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી પોઈન્ટ વિચ હેવ ટોક્ડ અબાઉટ ઇઝ વેરી એપ્ટલી આઈ થિંક એપ્લિકેબલ ટુ હિમ. અને જ્યારે તમે કંપની લિસ્ટ કરી રહ્યા હો ત્યારે મને લાગે છે કે લિસ્ટિંગની જર્ની પણ તમારી એટલી જ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે. અને વી ઓલ્સો ગોટ લિસ્ટેડ બિફોર 3 years, એન્ડ આઈ કેન ટેલ યુ ફ્રેન્કલી કે લિસ્ટિંગ થયા પછી રિયલ વેલ્થ તમે જ્યારે લોકો માટે, આઈ થિંક આઈ કેન ટેલ યુ હી હેઝ બીન ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટલ ફ્રોમ ધી પોઈન્ટ ઓફ બિઝનેસ, કારણ કે એણે એના કસ્ટમરોને, એના સ્ટાફને, એના સપ્લાયરને આઈ થિંક હી હેઝ maintained significantly as far as relationship is concerned. And plus, I think when we talk about KK, I think it is reckoned with the trust, right? Because આજે તમે એ બિઝનેસમાં છો જ્યાં આગળ કસ્ટમરની રિક્વાયરમેન્ટને અને કસ્ટમરને જો સાચવો અને સારી ક્વોલિટી આપો અને ટ્રસ્ટ તમે કેળવો તો વર્ષો સુધી લોકો તમારા ત્યાં આવે છે. આઈ થિંક સેમ થિંગ આઈ કેન ટેલ યુ અબાઉટ ધ ઇન્વેસ્ટર ઓલ્સો. આજે ઇન્વેસ્ટર માટે સારા પ્રમોટરો જે એથિકલી સારા કોર્પોરેટ ગવર્નન્સ સાથે કામ કરતા હોય અને ઓવર એ પીરિયડ ઓફ ટાઈમ તમારે આઈ થિંક બિકોઝ આઈ બિલીવ જ્વેલરી કે ઓવરઓલ આઈ થિંક ધી લાઇફસ્ટાઇલ બિઝનેસીસની અંદર ગ્રોથ ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ટુ બી ટ્રેમેન્ડસ, કારણ કે એક ઇન્ડિયા એવા કસ્પમાં જઈ રહ્યું છે, અમૃતકાલમાં જઈ રહ્યું છે. અને આઈ થિંક એજ ઇઝ સિગ્નિફિકન્ટલી ઇન ફેવર ઓફ કૈલાસ. આજે જે એજે એને ડિસિઝન લીધું છે લિસ્ટ થવાનું, જ્યાં આગળ એવું લાગે છે કે આવનારા 50 વર્ષ સુધી એ સિગ્નિફિકન્ટલી સારી મહેનત કરી શકશે અને આવનારા 25-30 વર્ષ સુધી એ લોકોને વેલ્થ ક્રિએટ કરીને આપી શકશે. એટલે મારું માનવું છે કે આ નાનો ટાઇટન છે. એનીબડી હુ ઇઝ હિયર શુડ બેંક ઓન ધીસ ગાય, because there is going to be a huge wealth creation journey in the career of Kailash, and જે આ લેવલથી એની જોડે એસોસિએટ થશે. આઈ થિંક વેલ્યુએશન શુડ નોટ બી લુકડ બાય એનીબડી કે આજે. અને પ્લસ બીજી મહત્ત્વની વસ્તુ, આઈ થિંક ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો એ ગટ્સ કે આઈપીઓમાં શેર હેઝ બીન ઓફર્ડ એટ 10 PE મલ્ટિપલ. આજે જ્યારે આખું માર્કેટ તમારું 25ના PE મલ્ટિપલ પર ચાલતું હોય ત્યારે 10ના PE મલ્ટિપલથી ઇન્વેસ્ટરોને સારો એક્સપિરિયન્સ ફ્રોમ ડે વન આપવો એ પણ એક ગટ્સની વાત છે. મારું માનવું છે કે 25 કરોડ જોઈતા હતા, 40 કરોડમાંથી QIB કાઢી નાખું તો 25 કરોડ જોતા હતા, લોકોએ 9,000 કરોડ રૂપિયા આપ્યા છે. The issue was subscribed by 352 times. That shows the kind of trust he carries. અહીંયા જે લોકોને જોઉં છું, જેમ ગણપત સરે કીધું કે who is who of the અમદાવાદ is here, that also shows કે એ લોકોએ રિલેશનશિપ બિલ્ડ કરી છે. આઈ બિલીવ આ જ વસ્તુ એના બ્લડમાં છે. સો ઇન્વેસ્ટર વિલ મેક નોટ ઓફ મની. You are on a path of creating not only wealth for others but for the investors also, and I am wishing that you can become another titan for the India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I have something to talk. Can we have some silence? अगर आप लोग थोड़ा बैठ जाएं तो मैं थोड़ी बहुत बातें आपको मेरी बताना चाहता हूं. If I can just have some team members to please settle everyone. I request everyone to please have a seat. Can I have some silence for just 10 minutes? ओके सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू थैंक एवरीवन हु इज़ हियर। आप लोगों ने जो विश्वास लगाया हमारी कंपनी में, हमारे परिवार में, हमारे ब्रांड के लिए, उसके लिए मैं आपका दिल से आभारी हूँ। मैं ज़्यादा टाइम लेना चाहता नहीं हूँ आज। मैं कुछ लोगों को दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ। जैसे सब लोग जो बैठे हैं आप, हर एक को मैं दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ, पर कुछ लोग का बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन इस ग्रोथ में। आई विल जस्ट टेक अ फ्यू नेम्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माय दादाजी हु ऑलवेज टॉट मी वन थिंग, कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता है। माय दादी जी हु ऑलवेज टोल्ड मी प्रभु पे विश्वास रखो सब अच्छा होगा। माय बड़े पापा हु ऑलवेज टोल्ड मी जितना काम करो परफेक्ट करो चाहे कम करो। माय बड़ी मम्मी हु ऑलवेज टॉट मी जो करे एकदम एक्सक्लूसिव करना। माय पापा ऑलवेज टॉट मी टू अप्रिशिएट द स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग्स इन एवरीवन। और मैं आज जो PR के लिए जाना चाहता हूँ उसका पूरा श्रेय मेरे पापा को जाता है। अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर दिस। मेरी मम्मी को जितना भरोसा मेरे पे है उतना शायद भगवान पे भी नहीं है। मैं बहुत अच्छा स्टूडेंट था नहीं, बहुत मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे लिए कुछ सुना है, पर हमेशा वो बोलती थी मेरा बेटा जैसा है, मेरा बेटा मेरे लिए राजा है। तो मम्मी बहुत टाइम लगाया मैंने आपको प्रूव करने में, मैंने बहुत समय ले लिया आपको ये विश्वास दिलाने में, पर बस आपकी प्रार्थना और आपका विश्वास मेरे पे था। थैंक यू मम्मी। माई लकीएस्ट सिस्टर पूनम, आई थिंक पूनम जितनी उसके हस्बैंड की ग्रोथ से खुश नहीं होती उतनी मेरी ग्रोथ से होती है, एंड इस बात के लिए हर्ष जी बहुत नाराज़ रहते हैं हमेशा। माई वेरी सपोर्टिव वाइफ ज्योति, आई थिंक मुझे ज्योति जितना सपोर्ट कोई और कर ही नहीं पाता। उसने मुझे पूरी छूट दी हर काम करने के लिए, मुझे पूरी लिबर्टी दी, मेरे पे ट्रस्ट किया। मेरा बिजनेस बहुत डेलिकेट बिजनेस है, मेरे को इतना टाइम देना पड़ता है, पर सिर्फ ज्योति निभा पाई मुझे 16 साल, और आगे भी पता नहीं कितने साल हम साथ रहेंगे। थैंक यू ज्योति फॉर ऑल योर सपोर्ट। माई सिस्टर्स रचना दीदी who's been my मोटी बहन, who's always been a big support to me, मेरा हर काम आसान किया, हमारे सिल्वर ब्रांड को इतना बड़ा बनाया। My sister स्वाति दीदी who always motivates me to do big in life, वो हमेशा मुझे बोलेगी जो करता है और बड़ा कर। So thank you स्वाति दीदी। My dearest brother वरुण, आज आप लोग जो ये IPO की तैयारी देख रहे हो इसमें मेरा कोई एफर्ट नहीं है। The entire credit goes to my brother वरुण काबरा। वरुण ने इस IPO के लिए पिछले 2 महीने से दिन रात एक किया है और इस IPO को इतना सक्सेस बनाया है कि हमारा लिस्टिंग 90% ऊपर हुआ है बेसिक प्राइस से। मेरी भाभी प्रिया जो हमेशा मुझे एक भाई और बाप का दर्जा देती है, प्रिया आई रियली हैव नो वर्ड्स टू थैंक यू। मेरी बहुत ही प्यारी सिस्टर निकिता जगनानी, आई थिंक जितना निकिता दीदी ने मुझे साथ दिया इस बिजनेस को ग्रो करने में उतना कोई नहीं दे सकता है। सो थैंक यू निकिता दीदी। माई डियरेस्ट सिस्टर वृंदा, ये अतरशी जो ब्रांड आप देखते हैं ये पूरा वृंदा का क्रिएशन है, वृंदा का दिमाग है, एंड वृंदा मेरा बैकबोन है। उसने जिस तरह मुझे सपोर्ट किया इस ब्रांड को डेवलप करने में, थैंक यू वृंदा फॉर ऑल योर हेल्प। माई वेरी डियरेस्ट सिस्टर आशिनी हु इज़ माई हेल्थ गुरु। माई डियरेस्ट सिस्टर हिनाली हु इज़ बीन द मोस्ट luckiest sister to me. Whenever she ties me a rakhi, she prays very nicely for me. My beautiful sisters Riddhi and Siddhi, you being a brand ambassador of KK Jewels, शायद रिद्धि सिद्धि को लोग ये बोलते भी हैं कि तुझे KK कुछ कमीशन देता है, क्योंकि वो पूरे टाइम सब जगह KK Jewels की बातें करती हैं। माई डियरेस्ट सिस्टर जेसल दीदी हुज बीन माई गार्डियन, माई गुरु एंड माई गाइड। माई डियरेस्ट जीजाजीज अमित जीजू, विक्की जुजू एंड हर्ष जी, आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू हैव 3 ब्यूटिफुल फ्रेंड्स, 3 ब्यूटिफुल people who I look up to in my life, especially Harsh ji who's been a very big inspiration to me in business. मैंने इतनी मेहनत करना अगर सीखा है तो उसका श्रेय हर्ष को जाता है। हर्ष जी thank you very much. My dearest brother Nimesh who's been my backbone since the time I started the business. He was the only guy. निमेश के लिए तालियां होनी चाहिए, इसने बहुत सपोर्ट दिया मुझे। थैंक यू निमेश। My dearest भैया नीरज भैया, ये जो IPO का थॉट आया, ये पूरा जो करेज आया, इसका श्रेय नीरज भैया को जाता है। नीरज भैया आप जहाँ भी हो, आई रियली यू आर माई आइडल। एवरी गुरु पूर्णिमा आई कॉल हिम, आई टेक हिज ब्लेसिंग्स। माई डियरेस्ट फ्रेंड सिद्धार्थ, unfortunately my friend Siddharth is not here. We have a beautiful video to play in a while which Siddharth has sent as he's traveling. My very very dearest sister Kavita who always prays for me, talks high about me and makes me have a lot of fun. My dearest brother, friend and the reason of KK Jewels brand is Neerav Agrawal. Can we have a huge round of applause for Neerav Agrawal? ये आपको जो KK Jewels, जो एक लाला कंपनी से हम एक ब्रांड बने, उसमें पूरा श्रेय नीरव को जाता है। My spiritual friend, my guru, my guide and strong believer in Lord Krishna, my friend Reshu. She's been a very big support to me in my life. Her prayers work like magic to me. Made be any of my tensions during my any department issues or anything, she prays and it's all gone. My younger brother Anand, I got a very मैं इतना लकी हूँ, मुझे इतने लोग मिले मेरी लाइफ में. जनरली किसी को बहुत पैसा मिल जाता है, किसी को बहुत कॉन्टैक्ट्स मिल जाते हैं, तो मुझे इतने अच्छे लोग मिले. आनंद, यू बीन अ बिग सपोर्ट. ये जो ब्रांड बनाया है हमने केके ज्वेल्स प्रीमियम गोल्ड, वो पूरा श्रेय आनंद को जाता है. एंड टू ऑल माई टीम मेंबर्स, मेरे जो भी, आई कैन नॉट नेम एवरीवन, पर आप लोग नहीं हो. एक गाना भी है, अगर तुम ना होते तो हम ना होते. सो थैंक यू टू ईच एंड एवरी वन हु इज हियर. आप लोगों का सपोर्ट, आप लोगों का प्यार, आप लोगों का विश्वास, आप लोगों का जो आप लोगों ने वर्ड स्प्रेड किया है हमारे लिए, आज हम अहमदाबाद में जो भी हमारी प्रेजेंस है वो सिर्फ आप लोगों के कारण है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड नाउ आई इनवाइट माय डॉटर ख्वाहिश एंड हर्षिका. माय डॉटर ख्वाहिश एंड हर्षिका. And after this, we have a beautiful video from my friend Siddharth. He's made a video, and I think आप लोग सब देखेंगे तो बहुत proud feel करेंगे कि ऐसा एक दोस्त. We've been friends for 32 years now. So after Khwahish and Arshika, we'll play Siddharth's video.
Hello, hello. Can I have everyone's attention, please? Dear guests and valued customers, today is a day of immense pride and joy as we celebrate not only the legacy of my father, Kailash Kabra, but also the incredible journey of KK Jewels that has brought us here. As his daughter, I am constantly in awe of the magic he creates. Magic that is not just about success in business, but also about the values that define it. His commitment to the unwavering support of words, the depth of kindness, and his an unmatchable foundation of ethics has set a benchmark for all of us, and we are so proud of him.
Success isn't just about what we achieve, it's who we achieve it with. This journey would have been impossible without you, our cherished customers and well-wishers. You all have been an essential part of our growth story, and we are truly grateful for the unwavering support you have given us. It motivates us to do better each day. Your trust, loyalty, and belief in our vision have been the cornerstone of our success. Here's to celebrating what we have built together and looking forward to an even brighter future.
Papa, we hope to continue this legacy in a way that makes you proud, carrying forward the values and principles that you have upheld. Thank you to each and every one of you who's present here. Your words and your values have, which mean more than word can express. Thank you.
Thank you, Khwahish and Harshika. And please stick to your words that you are going to take the KK Jewels legacy much higher. Apart from Gujarat, अपन और भी शहरों में शोरूम खोलेंगे, तो आप दोनों अपना फोकस ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री में रखिएगा. Can we play Siddharth's video, please? 1 minute.
केके, भले ही तूने मुझे बहुत दिन बाद इतना अच्छा दिया, लेकिन मैं बहुत भगवान से प्रार्थना करूंगी कि मुझे इतना होनहार बेटा और बहू दी है जो मुझे बहुत प्यार करते हैं और बहुत आज मेरी वैल्यू बढ़ गई है. जय हो.
एक्चुअली अभी नया पटोला खरीदा इन्होंने, तो इनको सेंटर में आना था एक बार. सो वन मोर थिंग आई वुड टेल यू टू बी मोर सक्सेसफुल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज हैविंग लिमिटेड पीपल. आई जस्ट हैव 2 फ्रेंड्स, वन इज सिद्धार्थ एंड वन इज नीरव. इन दोनों के साथ में रह के मैंने इतनी सारी चीज़ें सीखी हैं. तो थैंक यू टू बोथ ऑफ यू. एंड आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट टू थैंक द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन इन द IPO इज माई चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, माई गुरु, माई गाइड श्री SN शाह सर. मेरे 15 साल से वही मेरे चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हैं, वही मेरे लिए मेरे फादर फिगर हैं. तो SN शाह जी, बहुत बहुत दिल से धन्यवाद. आपने जो भी हमारे लिए किया है, हमारी कंपनी के लिए किया है, आपके मार्गदर्शन से ही हम आगे बढ़ेंगे और खूब सक्सेसफुल होने की ट्राई करेंगे. थैंक यू टू वन एंड ऑल माई B-Star ग्रुप फ्रेंड्स, एवरीवन. आई कांट टेक एवरीवन्स नेम, अदरवाइज आई स्किप समवन, बट सबको दिल से थैंक यू. एंड सॉरी आप लोगों को सुबह आज जल्दी उठाया. मैंने जिनको जिनको फ़ोन किया उनका मेन प्रॉब्लम यही था कि भाई सुबह इतना जल्दी कैसे आएंगे हम. वी हैव श्री बाबूभाई साहेब विथ अस. वी विल लाइक टू लिसन अ फ्यू वर्ड्स. અમારા આદરણીય બાબુભાઈ પટેલને નમ્ર વિનંતી છે, અને અમારા ભીખાભાઈ શાહને, અમારા કંપનીના જે મોસ્ટ લકીએસ્ટ પર્સન કહેવાય એ ભીખાભાઈ છે. હું માઇક નીચે લાવીશ ભીખાભાઈ માટે. બાબુભાઈ માટે જોરદાર તાળીઓ થઈ જાય. ઉમિયા મંદિરના પ્રમુખ છે, આપ સૌ જ એમને જાણો છો. BJP નામથી ફેમસ છે અમારા સાહેબ.
બસ આશીર્વાદ આલો. કૈલાસભાઈ કાબરા એમનું નામ છે. મારું નામ રૂપલભાઈ. ભાઈ આજે भारत माता की, भारत माता बताया नहीं भाई. भाई काबरा भाई
એમને આજે સરસ આ કાર્યક્રમ કર્યો છે અને આ કાર્યક્રમ ખાલી નિહાળવાનો નથી, આપણે આપણા સગા સંબંધીના પહોંચાડવાનો છે કે અમારા એક ભાઈબંધ છે, અમારા સંબંધી છે, અમે એમના ગ્રાહક છીએ અને ઘણી જગ્યાએ અમે એમના ત્યાંથી ખરીદીએ છીએ અને ખૂબ સારી વ્યવસ્થા અને સેવાની ભાવનાથી ધંધો કરે છે. ધંધો બધા કરતા હોય છે, સેવાની ભાવના. હું તમને એની ઉપરથી વાત કરું કે 2001માં ધરતીકંપ થયો ને, હું બિલ્ડર છું. ઘાટલોડિયામાં સમર્પણ ટાવર મારા 10 માળના હતા, 4 હતા, 5 માળિયા. મારી બાજુમાં 4 સ્કીમો પડી ગઈ, અમારા તિરાડે ના પડી, તિરાડ ના પડી. પછી એ બધાએ મને બોલાયો, મારું સ્વાગત કર્યું. મેં એમને વાત કરી કે મકાન મેં કોઈને મફત નથી આપ્યું, સસ્તું નથી આપ્યું, મેં સપ્રમાણ નફો કર્યો છે. અને મકાન એ માણસનું સપનું હોય છે, કોઈનું સપનું રોડવાનો આપણને અધિકાર નથી હોતો. એટલે આપણે ધંધો કરવો જોઈએ, પણ સપ્રમાણ નફો બધી જગ્યાએ કરાય. અને આજનો આ સરસ આનંદનો દિવસ તમને કાબરા પરિવાર બંને ભાઈઓને ખૂબ ખૂબ મારા તરફથી અભિનંદન. ખૂબ પ્રગતિ, ચારે ઓર પ્રગતિ કરે એવા વડીલ તરીકે મારા આશીર્વાદ.
आप सब लोग इस स्क्रीन पे कुछ नाम देख रहे होंगे, कुछ फोटोज देख रहे होंगे. ये सब लोग ही हमारी ग्रोथ के पीछे के कारण है. मैंने पढ़ाई बहुत नहीं करी है, पर मैंने अनुभवों से अपनी करियर को बनाया है. किसी से कोई चीज़ सीखी, किसी से कुछ चीज़ एक्सेप्ट करी. वैसे ही हमारे भीखा भाई हैं जो मेरे फादर फिगर, ग्रैंडफादर और इस इंडस्ट्री के दवा लाइन, जो फार्मा लाइन के किंग कह चुके हैं, उनके लिए
કૈલાસભાઈએ જે નીતિમત્તાનું ધોરણ સાચવેલું છે અને નીતિમત્તાના ધોરણના હિસાબે લોકોએ આટલો એમનામાં વિશ્વાસ મૂક્યો છે, એ જ અગત્યની વસ્તુ છે. એમનું સંકલન સ્ટાફ સાથે સારામાં સારું છે. સ્ટાફની દરેક જરૂરિયાતો એ પૂરી કરે છે અને સ્ટાફની સાથે જે સંકલન હોય એટલે પ્રગતિ કરવામાં કોઈ જાતનો વાંધો ના આવે. પ્રગતિ સારામાં સારી કરે છે અને એમને આ પ્રસંગે હું શુભેચ્છા પાઠવું છું. અને જે પ્રાઇસ થઈ 90% જેટલી પોપ થઈ છે, ઘણી આનંદની વાત છે અને ભવિષ્યમાં ઘણા ઘણા સારા કાર્યો કરે તેવી અભિલાષા.
भीखा भाई के लिए मैं इतना बोलना चाहूँगा, हमारी कंपनी बहुत छोटी थी, एक शोरूम था, कुछ कोई चीज़ की ज़रूरत थी विटामिन एम की. मैंने इनसे एक दरखास्त करी और इन्होंने मुझे बुला के मेरी सब रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी करी और उस दिन की पूंजी से मैं यहाँ पहुँचा हूँ. तो भीखा भाई के लिए प्लीज़ जितनी ज़ोर से तालियां बजा सको. मेरे लिए सब आपके फ्लावर्स कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं, जितनी आप इनके लिए तालियां बजा सको. थैंक यू भीखा भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर ट्रस्ट, फॉर योर सपोर्ट. नाउ वी हैव okay, so we have a small performance from all our KK Jewels team. I request all the KK Jewels team to come here. एक छोटा सा परफॉर्मेंस है हमारी तरफ से और उसके बाद अपन रन शुरू करेंगे और हमारा ट्रॉफी सेरेमनी होगा. Can I request quickly all the KK Jewels team to come here? Also, मैं एक नाम भूलना भूल गया. मैं इस बिजनेस में आया, मैं हमारे परिवार का बिजनेस तो कोयले का है, मैं ज्वेलरी में आया, उसका सबसे बड़ा श्रेय है भरत भाई गडेचा और कल्पेश भाई गडेचा, अंजलि ज्वेलर्स वाले. मैंने अपनी पूरी इंटर्नशिप जो बोलते हैं 2 साल उनके साथ काम किया है, उनसे सीखा हूँ और उनसे ही आगे बढ़ा हूँ. तो भरत भाई और कल्पेश भाई, दिल से आपको धन्यवाद. आप जहाँ भी हो, आपने बहुत कुछ सिखाया मुझे. और हमारे please come this side. I request all the KK Jewels team please to come fast. And we have a beautiful small performance